Hi friends, and welcome back to CrystalCooks. I was visiting my daughter-in-law, and we thought it would be fun to make some fajitas. We were pretty busy, so we used my go-to recipe, Instant Pot Steak Fajitas. The original recipe is from Little Sunny Kitchen, and it is so easy and delicious. It's become a regular meal in our monthly rotation. The best part is that everything is made in one pot, making it the perfect easy weeknight dinner. Here's what you'll need. 2 pounds of bottom round beef cut into strips, 2 onions peeled and sliced, 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning, either store-bought or homemade, half a cup to 1 cup of beef stock, salt to taste, 6 bell peppers, red, green, and yellow, thickly sliced, and flour tortillas for serving. Let's start by washing and drying all of the produce. Then we'll slice the onions and the bell peppers. Add the meat to your Instant Pot, making sure to separate the pieces. I used a pre-sliced stir-fry meat, which saves time, but if you skip separating it, the meat won't cook evenly. Next, add half of your fajita seasoning. I used Kinder's Mexican seasoning, the fajita blend. Layer the onions on top of the beef, then add the bell peppers. Sprinkle on the remaining seasoning, add a little salt, and pour in the beef stock. Then give it a good stir before you secure the Instant Pot lid. Once the lid is secure, set the timer for 8 to 10 minutes on high pressure. While the fajitas cook, warm your tortillas. We had a few different options this night since some of us had dietary preferences, so we used a variety of tortillas. When the timer goes off, carefully release the steam. In Little Sunny Kitchen recipe, if you prefer your bell peppers on the crisper side, this is the time to add them. Then just secure the lid again and let them steam until they're cooked to your liking. Once everything is ready, drain the excess liquid, or save some for plating and dipping. You can also use a slotted spoon to serve the fajitas. And here we are, yummy, delicious fajitas made in the Instant Pot in just about 30 minutes. I have linked the original recipe below. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe. I'd love to hear how yours turned out, and tell me what other recipes you'd like to see me make. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.